Managed print done right is one of those easy ways for an organization to gain some efficiencies and save some real dollars. It's amazing how much time and money is being wasted on print due to lack of visibility and control. At imageOne, we use what we call a progressive approach to managed print. What that means is that we are focused on giving your end users and IT staff peace of mind today, and at the same time, we want to make sure that you're prepared moving forward. There are three things that make us unique as an organization. The first one is that we're going to find you some quick, hard dollar savings. We're going to do that by decreasing your overall cost per page, by slowing down or eliminating your cost of hardware acquisition. And the last one, and the one I think you'll find the most unique in our industry, is we're actually going to teach your end users how to print less. Secondly, is we're going to give you back your time. We know IT staff and end users spend an inordinate amount of time dealing with printers and copiers. We make it our job to take care of this for you. imageOne will handle all printer-related issues, and we're going to allow your IT staff and end users to focus on the things that are really important to your core business, it's the way it should be. Third, and I think probably the most important, is that my partner Rob Dube and I are truly committed to delivering an extraordinary customer experience. I think if you ask our clients, this is probably the one thing they'll tell you that sets us apart more than anything else. We are easy to deal with, we're flexible, we do what we say we're going to do, and we go above and beyond. We built imageOne on the idea that if we can deliver an easy, efficient, reliable, and extraordinary customer experience, then we will create loyal and long-term partnerships.